Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with KeyBank, fast setup step by step clearly. To begin using Zelle with KeyBank, start by ensuring you have a KeyBank account. Download the KeyBank mobile app from your device's app store if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the app and log in. Navigate to the menu, usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. Look for the Send Money or Zelle option in the menu and select it. If you are a first-time user, follow the prompts to enroll your email address or mobile number with Zelle. You may need to verify your identity through a text message or email. Next, link your US mobile number or email to your KeyBank account to finish the Zelle setup. Choose the account you want to use for Zelle transactions and confirm your choice. Once set up, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle instantly. To send money, enter the recipient's email or mobile number in the Zelle payment section. Add the amount you wish to send and include a brief note for clarity, if desired. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, press Send to complete the transaction. If you receive funds via Zelle, they will appear in your KeyBank account typically within minutes. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to send or receive money using Zelle with KeyBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.